Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of microprocessor and microcontroller. Today we will discuss AVR, data transfer instructions. So let's discuss all the data transfer instructions of AVR. This AVR data transfer instructions, basically data transfer instructions are the instructions which are used to transfer the data into microcontroller. Okay, so the data transfer instructions basically allows to transfer the data with the microcontrollers and other peripherals such as the memories and all other input-output ports. So the instructions can be used to transfer the data from register to register, or from register to memory, or from memory to register, or from constant to register. So using any of the data transfer instructions, this kinds of transfer is occurred to register to register, register to memory, memory to register, and constant to register. So let's discuss all the data transfer instructions related to register to register, register to memory, memory to register, and constant to register. So here since it is the data transfer instructions, so the flags are not affected through the data transfer instructions. So let's discuss all the data transfer instructions one by one. So in a register to register data transfer, data are transferred from one register to another register. In a register to register data transfer from one register to another register. So for example, move RD, RR. So this basically 8-bit registers, and data of RR, that means resource, can be transferred into destinations, that is RD. Okay, so using move instructions, this data transfer occurred between RR and RD. And remember, data of RR is copied into RD. Okay, data of RR is copied with the RD. So RD is equals to RR. Then next, for a 16-bit here we have a move W. Okay, move word. So move W is equal and RD, RR. So basically this is used for 16-bit data transfer. So this is register to register data transfer instructions. Then next, for register to memory data transfer is basically occurred from register to given memory locations. So in a register to memory data transfer, data will be transferred from register to given memory locations. So for that, here we have a instructions STS, so stored data in a SRAM, or basically in a RAM. Okay, so STS K, RR. K is basically for a address location. So whatever the content of RR register is basically stored at a locations indicated by K. Okay, whatever the address of a K at that particular locations in a memory, content of the RR is basically stored. So it is register to memory transfer. Now next, here we have a memory to register transfer. So in a memory to register data transfer, data will be transferred from memory to register. Data will be transferred from memory to register in a memory to register data transfer. Here there is a instructions for memory to register transfer, that is LDS, load data in a SRAM. Load data in a SRAM. To store the data we have a S, then to load the data here we have a LD instruction. So LDS RD, K. So whatever the locations is indicated by this K, at that location there is some data. So that data is basically copied in a RD register. So basically this is transferred from memory to register. Whatever the data indicated by this K address location is basically transferred into RD. Not K, but RD is not equals to K, but at K locations whatever the data are stored is transferred into RD. Now next, there is a register to constant data transfer. So constant to register data transfer, data will be transferred to the immediate given register. So for example, LDI, remember I is for immediate registers. Okay, so whatever the data of C is basically constant value, for example 5, 16 and whatever, so that value is basically transferred into the register. So the this constant value is transferred into the AVR register by means of this LDI instruction. So these are the data transfer instructions. Besides of these instructions, there are some other AVR data transfer instructions. So let's discuss this AVR data transfer instructions in a table. There is a table for AVR data transfer instructions. Mnemonics, that means instructions, operands on which basically operations are performed, and why these instructions are used, and the operations are performed during this instruction. So first is move RD, R. So whatever the content of R is basically move or copied into the RD register. Then move W, RD, R. So basically for a 16-bit. Okay, so in a RR and R+1, whatever the data are stored is basically copied into the RD and RD+1 register. Okay, so this is move and move W. Then LDI instructions. So whenever we want to store the data in a register, so this LD instruction is used. LDI RD, K. So load immediate data. So whatever the content of K is basically loaded into RD register. Then load indirect. So whenever we want to store data indirectly, not from the given locations, so this LD instruction is used. So LD RD, X. Here either we can use X or Y or Z, because these are the basically for indirect addressing modes. Okay, so here the content of X is not copied, but at X whatever the data is basically used, that is our address, and at that address locations our actual data is stored. Okay, so in a bracket X, that means at the given address locations whatever the data is copied into the RD. Now if we want to locate the data and if we want to increment the address, so here we have a next instruction, that is LD RD, X plus. So load indirect the data and post increment. That means first content of X is basically for example if we have a address X is equals to 205, so at 205 whatever the data are stored is basically copied into RD, and then the value of X is incremented by 1, so we have a 206. Okay, and if we want to perform load indirect and if we want a pre-decrement, so here next instruction, that is RD LD RD, minus X. Here there is a pre-decrement, that wise minus X. Okay, so load indirect and pre-decrement. So first decrement the value, and then whatever the locations are indicated, then it is transferred into the RD register. Then if some with displacement, if data are transferred, so here LDD, load indirect with displacement, so RD, X plus Q. So whatever the content of X plus Q is at that locations we have our data, so that data is copied into RD register. Then to store the data from memory to register, here LDS instructions, LDS RD, K, load direct from SRAM. So whatever the data of X at that locations we have our data stored, so this load direct from SRAM basically from this K locations whatever the contents of X location, and at that locations our data is stored, so that data are copied into XT. Now these are for load in data into register. Now if we want to store the data of register into the memory, so we can use ST instruction to store the data. So this ST, that means to store data indirect. So whatever the content of RR is basically stored at locations indicated by X. Okay, whatever the data of RR is stored whatever the data of X, and that data are located for a address pointer. Okay, so if X is equals to 205, so the the content of RR is stored basically at the address location of 205. Okay, then ST is equals to X plus R. So this is for store in the indirect and post increment. So whatever the content of register are basically copied, and then value of the X is increment. Then next here we have other data transfer instructions. So ST store indirect and minus X RR. So first P decrement, then store the values. Okay, so values are basically first decremented of X, and then at a given address location by X is whatever the content of RR is basically stored at that location. Then if we want to store the data with displacement, so this STD instruction is used. So the whatever the content of X plus Q at that memory locations, whatever the data of RR is stored into the this locations. Now to store the data from memory register to memory, so STS instruction is used. So whatever the data is directly stored into the memory, whatever the content of RR is directly stored in the locations of X. Then LPM load program memory. So for the load program memory, whatever the contents are indicated by the Z is basically transferred into R0 locations. Now next there is a LPM RDZ. So load program memory and post incremented. So whatever the content of RDZ is basically incremented over here. So that is this operations Z is equals to Z plus 1, and the whatever the content of Z at that locations, whatever the data is stored, that data are copied into RD register. Then SPM is for store program memory. So whatever the content of R1 and R0 is basically stored at the locations indicated by the Z. Now to transfer data to input output, there is a instructions in and out. Okay, so in RDP, this P is basically for port, whatever the port is used, either if we use 8MEGA32, so in 8MEGA32 there is a port A, B, C, D. So any of the port is basically used as a bidirectional input output port. So whatever the contents at that ports can be transferred into the register by using in instructions. So in port, so whatever the content of port is basically transferred into the RD, and if whatever the data is we want to transfer into output, so there is the instruction out RRP. Okay, so whatever the data of register is basically out in a P port. Okay, so this P either A, B, C, D depending on which port we are going to use. Now there is also data transfer instructions from stacks. Okay, so there is a push and pop instructions. So push RR, that means push register on a stack. So whatever the content of register is basically stored onto the stack, and pop register, so whatever the content of stack is basically stored into the register. So push for writing the data of a register onto the stack, and for stack retrieving the information into the register. So these all are the data transfer instructions of AVR. Thank you.